lie. Welcome to Desicoli Notos. Today we dey change compressor for hybrid, Toyota hybrid compressor. So we dey replace direct bedroom. As you see am so, e no get belt. They know the e no dey come with alternator belt. As you see am so, e dey na im be the easiest compressor so far wey dey lose. The sweet to lose. So as you can see for the screen, that's why they lose them. They lose them with passion. So I don't finish. As I they lose them, so I begin guide this down one because I noticed it the one with the up no one lose. So as I guide this down one, I saw begin the lose them. As I they lose them, so I notice say the thing don't dislag they go. So very easy, you know the hard. So I take lose am, comot am. So as I dey lose am so, I come notice say I come notice say they too comot. Small time I don't comot am sharp. They don't bring this one from Lagos come. So if you notice am, you go see direct Belgium. Now be this one where they wrap with leather. So I begin to tear the leather. They tear am. Direct Belgium, direct from Japan. That's why they lose am. They lose the leather. So now be this one. Pia. So now you own when I first lose be this one. That's why I begin to lose those piping. So as I lose those piping to check whether it is sharp. And the truth it is very sharp. Okay. AC work sweet. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Desicoli Notos. That's why I can't lose the other pipe. I had to check them. See this compressor now where until when you don't put them for motor, you go know whether it dey work. I mean, no they work. I beg. Thank you for watching. Also, share this video. May your family members see them. Also, we need patronize us. Thank you. Bye bye.